Geshe-la says, normally we believe solving the suffering and problems of this present life is most important, and we dedicate our whole life for this purpose. But in reality, the duration of the sufferings and problems of this life is very short, because if we die tomorrow, all that suffering and problems will end tomorrow. However, since the duration of our future lives is endless, the sufferings and problems of our future lives is endless. The freedom and happiness of our future lives is vastly more important than the freedom and happiness of this one short life. It's so logical, isn't it? Yeah, we want to be free from problems and happy in this life, of course. I do. I'm sure you do too. But we wouldn't put all of our energy into just this one life if we knew that more lives are coming. As Buddha's telling us, they're coming, these lives. And when you meditate on the continuity of your consciousness, you understand about the nature of the mind through your meditations. I've been teaching it every week for weeks, the nature of the mind. When you understand about the nature of the mind, you'll know that at your time of death, that is not the end of you. You carry on with the same mind and all those karmic impressions and imprints. And so in the future, you're going to have various experiences. What are those experiences? Well, that depends on what we're doing now. We want happy experiences. We want freedom from problems. And so when we use this life to the best of our ability to create good causes for this life and our future lives. This is the best thing we can do with our life. And for our family, and for our friends, and for everybody we care about. The best thing we can do for society, best thing we can do for the world, is to share this example of a person who's trying to stop suffering for themselves and others, to find pure everlasting happiness for themselves and others, through practicing the correct methods to do it, scientifically proven methods with the science of Buddhism